Hello friends, welcome to the new video of MongoDB tutorial. So today we are going to update a specific data, specific you can say with the help of the set function. So let's get started. So here we have the code. Like here we are mostly they are going to use here we update like which one that is this is going to find out the title would be this one, and in which whatever we are trying to set, whether it is body, category, titles, you can set it over here with the help to update the data. So set function is basically used to update the data. So I'm going to copy this in the post to, I'm going to change it back to the technology. Here you can see that the title and the body is different one, okay, and the category is not there. So let's, we are going to paste it, and we have body for the post 2, this is changed, and the category we have added technology. Okay, so let's see, modified, and let's see, you can see that the category technology is added and this is also updated. So if you want to update a specific field like body, date, category, specific one, not the any other else, other else. So here you can see that here is technologies. Okay, so I'm going to update only technology, not the body. Okay, what's this, I'm going to add the technologies. Okay, I'm just copying this one and going to paste it over here. Okay, let's see, and you can see that only this is updated. Now if I like, you can see if I'm going to copy this id, copy this object id, we can also pass underscore id with id and update that also with the title also, id also you can update accordingly, because id is unique. So you can also put the id where id is equal to here update, and here I show you, here you can add underscore id, and where it is, this is this one, control shift c, let's see. Okay, I'm going to update with the technologies. Okay, so copying this and going to paste it over here. So it is not inserted because we need to pass the object id over here. It's not working like this, so let me go with the object id. Let's see. So you can see that modified the results, and here we go with the pretty. So you can see that technologies is updated, right? So this is how we can update a record with the help of id, title, body, or specific number also. So any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a great day.